This is a beautiful 1959 Edsel Corsair hardtop. I've only videoed one other 59 Edsel Corsair hardtop, and that happened to be black in color. All the rest of them, all the Corsairs, were convertibles. So this was a treat for me. As you see there are the statistics. Nicely equipped car. A very pale yellow color. Notice the gun sight markers there on the top of the fenders. Very neat with the Edsel logo. And of course a much more usual type of grille compared to the opening year of 1958. Nice wide white walls and wheel covers. Now I think what's fantastic is when we get to the interior, and you'll be amazed at that. Notice the nice trim along the side, plenty of bright work. Now look at this interior. New old stock for the material there on the seats. So this is exactly how it looked when it was brand new. Amazing. Very, very nice. And automatic transmission and a much more usual type of instrument panel compared to the opening year. So everything was toned down a bit because the first year was kind of problematic. Notice that side view mirror, the housing stayed in the same position, but the mirror rotated within it. Very unusual. And I believe this was the original owner, has owned it all these years, and it's one of those things that when you like a car, even though maybe it wasn't all that popular, keep it, because later on you may find that it has escalated in value. The original thinking about the car may have changed over the years. Certainly this is a very nice car. I'd love to have a car like this. It's just a shame it got off to a rocky start, and that was basically all that it needed to seal its fate. Nice car.